So Niyati, Rangrace is a drawing competition and Sonora Solar is manufacturing solar panels. Honestly, tell me, what is the real connection?
Because when we visited schools during Rangrace competition, we saw that we need to understand the needs of.
How does a school event really impact solar solutions?
Before creating this collaboration with
Please tell me that what was the most emotional moment for you?
a long-term decision taken by the.
Tell me, Niyati, that Surat is growing fast.
Yes.
So do you think that city is ready for large-scale solar adoption? If you had to say one thing to the parents who are listening right now, so what do you want to say? Hi, this is RJ Palak from MyFM and we are having our painting competition, inter-school painting competition called MyFM Rangrace Plus, in which Sonora Solar is our proud partner, our green energy partner, and Rangrace has always been about colors and creativity. But this time there's a strong message behind it. So let's meet Niyati.
Hi everyone. So to begin with, I would like to thank MyFM for having us in the studio. My name is Niyati Patel from Sonora Solar and I take care of branding and marketing activities.
So Niyati, Rangrace is a drawing competition and Sonora Solar is manufacturing solar panels. So honestly, tell me, what is the real connection?
That's actually the most important question, because when we visited schools during Rangrace competition, we saw that children are drawing clean cities, they are drawing trees, rivers and clean skies. Not a single kid drew smoke coming out of factory or any kind of pollution in the city. So that made us realize one thing, that children understand what they want and they want cleaner city, clearer sky, everything clean. So at Sonora Solar, our job is very simple. We need to understand the needs of our future, the youth, and that is clean energy.
Right.
And this collaboration is all about spreading awareness about clean city, green city to the kids and the youth, because they will be driving the future of this era.
Yes.
So yes.
So that's the clear motive, and I think the sustainability works a
Yes.
lot, right?
Yes.
So my second question would be, let's be honest, how does a school event really impact solar solutions?
Before creating this collaboration with MyFM, our discussion was really simple, how it will impact the families. Okay, we are a solar manufacturing company, and we thought that installing a solar on the home or any industry or any commercial building, there is one person who is authorized, who makes the decision. Okay, and in the home, our father is the one who decides what to do, because
Yes.
solar is an investment. Okay, investment for the future. So when a kid goes home after Rangrace competition, when there is a dining table discussion, and when kids say that daddy or mama, today we learned about clean city or green city, so that impacts a lot.
Yes.
Okay, because we wanted to spread awareness. If we want that solar adoption is there, so before adoption, spreading awareness is important. So yeah, we thought to we plan to go via children to their family. So yeah, this was a thought process.
And I think that creates more impact when
Yes.
you put a seed in a children.
Yeah.
So the family can grow also, and the children can grow their own mentality also about
100%.
sustainability, about clean city and
100%.
everything. So of course, I'm sure it's going to create a good awareness. So please tell me that what was the most emotional moment for you during the whole Rangrace competition?
See, solar is not an impulse purchase. It is always a long-term decision taken by the head of the family.
In fact, you have
And
to plan for
exactly,
it. Yes.
exactly. So when we visited schools during Rangrace competition, I saw one children drew two houses, one with clean and green background, with positive background, and another one is with smoke that has polluted environment and all. And the first house, that was drew by him was clean, and he wrote that this is my future house.
Okay.
So that hit me personally, and I was very affected by that drawing. So yeah, that was my most emotional moment, because children are imagining their future, and that is clean and green.
That's how we can see that because of all these pollution and everything, children themselves are getting so much affected.
Exactly.
And they are wishing a pollution-free future. So that's
Yeah.
also a very important thing. So tell me, Niyati, that Surat is growing fast.
Yes.
So do you think that city is ready for large-scale solar adoption?
Surat has always been progressive, from textiles to diamonds.
Yes.
It has always been progressive. Now it's time that we be, sincere about sustainability
Yeah.
and energy part. So I strongly believe that Surat is 100% ready for sustainability part and the solar adoption. So as electricity costs are rising, pollution is on its peak. So sustainability, clean energy, it's not luxury anymore. It's a need.
Yes.
And I'm glad to observe that Surat's people are thinking long term right now. So they are considering solar as an investment and not an expense.
And I think Surtis are so much, if they see an impact, they want to invest, they want to
Exactly.
grow. So they
Exactly.
support these kind of things. So
Yes.
that is something which I also vouch for. The next question would be that if you had say one thing to the parents who are listening right now, so what do you want to say?
So, to the parents of today, I just want to say that we visited schools during Rang Race competition, and we realized that children are understanding and imagining their future, which is super clean, which is green. As a parent, your task is to make that future possible for their children. If they are imagining clean and green city, you have to make it possible. And switching to solar is not just a financial decision, it's a long term investment for your next generation.
So true. So is this a one-time association with Sonora Solar, or we are going to see more of the initiative, community initiatives from Sonora Solar?
Well, this is just a beginning, and brands don't want to participate in selling their products or services. I think they want to spread awareness about sustainability, green energy, and clean energy. And at Sonora Solar, we strongly believe that it's our job to make the cities green and clean in the future, and that starts with us, our decision today. So yeah, we believe in spreading awareness to communities rather than selling our products and services.
So we can easily say that colors meet consciousness
Yes.
in My FM Rang Race Plus 2026.
Exactly. So when creativity meets clean energy, the future looks bright.
Thank you so much, Niyati, for being here. It was a pleasure having you, and I hope that by listening this, so many people get inspired. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So this was Niyati with us from Sonora Solar. We are thanking our green energy partner because we are associated in 11 cities and the impact of the activities is amazing. So thank you so much for being here, to you as well. And for more such content, please keep following and please tune in My FM. Thank you.
सनोरा सोलर, जो लगेगा छत पे रहेगा दिल में।